things with you. The first thing being support for Joomla 2.5 ended December 31st, 2014. So if you log into the administrator backend of your Joomla website and you're showing 2.5, that version is no longer supported. So we need to get you out of that and either upgrade to Joomla. The current release is 3.5.1, or we need to go to another system altogether. The reason I'm doing this video is to show you the ease of working in WordPress. Whenever we went full-time in January of 2008, we did mainly Joomla websites because at the time Joomla was the most comprehensive tool to use for business websites with its components and add-ons and features, functionality, everything that goes along with it. Joomla was, we thought at that time, was the best thing going for websites. WordPress has come a long way since then. Now large-scale business corporate websites are being developed mainly on WordPress now, when WordPress used to be considered mainly something for bloggers. But it's much more than that now. There's every plugin and extension under the sun for WordPress that makes it easy to work with, and add-on is flexible, and so everything that we do now is WordPress. And I'm encouraging everyone to move from Joomla to WordPress. We've done it on both of our sites. We've done it on Pro Image 1, and we've done it on NC Web Pros. And it's just, it has helped us tremendously in search engine optimization. We're coming up on first page of Google for the keywords that we're targeting. It's just so easy to work with, so easy to edit, and a lot of our clients are saying it's just so simple for them to go in and make changes to their own website. So that's what this video is about, just to show you. I'm going to demonstrate the ease of editing in WordPress. I'll do it with the NC Web Pros website. I'm going to come over here to custom development. Okay, as I go to this web page, I've added a little, this is another plugin that I've added. It was an add-on to WordPress from my Roadly email account. So I just simply plug that in, subscribe to our mailing list. It shows, I'm showing the recent post over here on the right hand side, and I've also incorporated a Twitter feed to my website. So all that's just super easy to do and add to the website. So here's the main page of the website. Custom, as far as that particular page, custom development. We have a photograph here, and then my text for custom development. I probably need that looks a little skimpy on text, so I'm going to need to add to that. But it's easy enough to work on as you go along. So let's say I want to make changes to this page. Well, what I'd simply do is go to my website, ncwebpros.com / I'll go to wp/login.php. It brings us to the WordPress login screen. I already have my username and password entered in, so I'll just log in. Once that comes up, now I'm in the administrator backend of the WordPress website. We have a lot of different things that I have added over here. I've added a thing to speed up the website for cache, to delete the cache. I have chats, so if you go to the front page of my website, you can chat with me in real time. That's a plugin that was added freely. So all this stuff is over here listed. We've got a bunch of options. I don't have time to go through all those today. What I'm going to do, now that I'm logged in, I'm going back to my website by clicking on NC Web Pros. Okay, once that loads, there we go. Notice now that I'm logged in, I have a whole new set of options at the top of my browser window. So So I'm going to navigate to the page that I want to edit, custom development. Okay. And now, if I want to edit this page, I just simply go up to Edit Page. And it takes me directly into the admin of that page that I want to edit. In Joomla, you would have to log in as administrator. You'd have to go to Article Manager. You'd have to scroll through the list of articles and type in the search box the name of the page that you want to go to. Maybe sometimes you don't remember the name of the page, so you got to scroll through all those pages and find the article, click on it, then edit it. This one, you simply go to the website, go to the page that you want to edit, and just click Edit. Bam, we're right here in the editing window now for custom development. And I can simply go through there, and this is like any text editor. You have bold, italics, numbered list, unordered list, all these tools that you can just use to change your copy. Right, like expertise, experience and expertise. If I want to change that, that's a heading 3 now. I can change it to a heading 4, or I can change it to a heading 2, whatever I wanted to do. Let's leave it at heading 2. Let's say that I wanted to insert a photo here. So I'll just click my cursor here, and I'll go up to Add Media. Okay, it takes me to my media library. All of these are photos that I've already uploaded into the website. So if I wanted to use one of those photos, I could just simply click on that and insert it in the page. Or I can go find another photo and upload it. I'm just going to use an existing photo here. Not sure what to use. Let's see what this is. If you click on it, it gives you an idea over here of what the photo is. It's 570 by 370. That's okay. Just for the sake of time, we're going to use that. I can use it in full size if I want to, or I can go down to medium, 300 by 195, or I can use a thumbnail. I'm just going to use a thumbnail. If I wanted to link that picture to another page or something, I could do that and type in the page that I wanted that to link to. So I don't want it to link anywhere. I'm just going to put none. It's going to be a thumbnail image. I'm going to, alignment. I'm going to align it to the right of that copy so it will appear on the right hand side. And let's just insert in the page. Bam, there it is. Simple as that. If I look at that and say, you know what, I kind of want that over there on the left hand side of the copy. So I just click Edit. Well, actually, no, that's not right. I can just simply come over here and click Align Left. Don't have to do anything else. Let's see, do I like that? Do we want to go center? Nah. Do I want to go Align Right? Nah, let's put it back to the left. See how you just move it around and just and work with it until you're satisfied with it. If I click on the pencil, like I said, I could enter in another page on that. I can copy in the page or a custom URL. I'll tell you what. Let's make this picture. Let's have it go to the proimage1.com website. And let's make it open, when it opens that, let's make it open it in a new tab. So I click Update. And now once I've updated it. Now, a lot of features over here in WordPress. I've got an SEO tool, Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, Yoast SEO tool installed on my website. And this is the Yoast tool. And notice I have a little green symbol here. That means I'm doing pretty good as far as SEO on this particular page. Let's scroll down. I can let you have a little peek at it. This is Yoast SEO. So here's what my page, if you were to land on this page in Google, this is what you'd see. Custom Development, NC Web Pros. And then you'd see this part, Custom Development by NC Web Pros, Custom Web Design, and Custom Web Development at affordable prices called NC Web Pros today. You can edit that. So this is where you edit that. So whatever you put in here will appear here on Google in the search results. So that's pretty cool. But as you're doing that, my focus keyword for this page, I typed in custom development. So now Yoast is looking at this page and saying, okay, this text contains 237 words, which is below the recommended minimum of 300 words. So as I told you earlier, that page was kind of skimpy on words. Yoast is backing that up. It's saying you need at least 300 words to make it more useful for the reader. So I'll probably end up doing that pretty soon, maybe today. It says the page title contains 32 characters, which is less than the recommended of 35. Well, I'm pretty close. I'm right there. There's nothing else I want to add to that page title that I can think of. I mean, no, I want to leave that the way it is. So, I mean, that's not a big deal. I'm right there. But then it gives you all these different things that I have successfully met. It says backlinks, images on this page contain alt attributes. So, in other words, this image that I'm using on this page, let me just show you. If you click on the featured image that I've inserted into this page, what I've done is in the alt text, I've typed in custom development. So that's what it's looking for. The focus keywords appears in 1 out of 3 subheadings in this copy. If you did not have this, it would come up with a red dot, and it will tell you that you need a focus keyword in a subheading of the page, and I've done that here. I've made custom development my keyword heading, so that was what it was looking for. So it gives you all kinds of different things. And again, this is just one free plugin that I installed into WordPress, and it's helping me tremendously on my SEO results. So that's one thing. You can append a form to the page. If you wanted to put a form on that page, you can append a form. You can set all kinds of meta tags, keywords. It's just unlimited of what you can do, and the ease in which you can do it in WordPress. So yeah, let me update this page. Now that I've made those changes, I have to click update. I'll wait for it to do its little thing here. I'm running a pretty slow internet connection right now. I'm on DSL, and this is a holiday, so everybody's home, and internet's running kind of slow this morning. So I'm going to view the page. There we go. Okay, and as we scroll down, there's the photo that I added, and remember I increased the size of this heading, which was simple to do. I think I'm going to leave it there. I think I like that, and I added a link. So if you click on that picture now, it opened up in a new tab, and it's going to my other website, proimage1.com homepage. So that's how that works. So let's click off this. Let's go back. I don't want to leave that picture. I don't think. Let's see. It looks pretty good, you know. I'm going to leave it there. All right, so that's how you do that. So I just wanted to show you the ease of WordPress, and there is a bazillion different, I mean, if you didn't want, of course, custom development would be the best, where we can sit down, come up with a design, let our designers come up with a custom design, and then turn that into a WordPress template, a responsive WordPress template. But if cost is a factor and you wanted something as quickly and as cheaply as possible, then, I mean, pick out a WordPress template. We'll just come over here. Let me, I've got a link here to my WordPress themes. and I've already did a link to WordPress Themes. And so you basically can come to this page and just hover over, take a look, and see what a template looks like. Or you can click on a live preview of it. Whoa, let's not do that one. Let's see over here. Let's just take this one. You can click View. There we go. Gives you kind of an idea of what the template would look like. You can view the demo, which puts up the full template into a new tab. It lets you preview what the template would look like. And that's how your site would look if you chose that template. This is good for, like it says here, hair and beauty professionals. I could see this being good for a nail salon. Anything like that, additional services and prices. See how nice that is? How good it flows. I mean, this is great. That's a nice looking template. Gives a map and all this. And this template can be had for like I believe it's like $79 for this template. I'm not sure. I'd have to confirm that. Could be the prices range from $49, $79. Some of them get a little higher, but most of them around the $79 range. But basically, this is how it would look. Services and pricing. Book now. I mean, this has got a scheduling and book an appointment feature in it. The functional site would have. So, I mean, that's just to give you an idea of what's available. Let's go back. And to let you know that if you've had your site more than a couple of years, then it's probably dated, especially if you're using Joomla. If it's an older version, you definitely need to upgrade. So just consider WordPress. Let me know if you need some help picking out a template, but you can always go to this link. This is proimage1.com/predesign-templates. Just go there, look for WordPress themes, and look through there, and it's got a lot of templates. You can just click through and look at all the different templates and see what may fit. What may fit your business. You might want to type in landscaping or construction here or whatever. You can just type that in, search template, and it'll bring up those WordPress templates for that particular category. So just wanted to show you guys that, and if you have any questions or want to know what the cost is, the cost varies depending on how large your site is and what kind of customization and enhancements and things you want on the template. So I'd have to price those out individually, but if you're interested, just give me a call, 704-753-2558, and